These are some drops of water on hydrophobic paper. If I take a super hydrophobic knife, I can actually cut the water. Here it is again with some water dyed green so you can see it a little better. If I put some drops of water on the paper, I can take my super hydrophobic knife and cut the water droplets into smaller and smaller droplets. The smaller they get, the more spherical they get, and they become harder and harder to cut. Until eventually it's so small I can't even cut it anymore.
Okay, I don't think I can get it any smaller.